Welcome back to Environmental Engineering course. Today we discuss about environmental engineering and its applications. We already discussed in the previous session what is the definition of environmental engineering. In this class also we discuss what is a definition of environmental engineering and its applications. Environmental engineering is the application of science and engineering principles to improve the natural environment. The natural environment including air, water, land resources to provide healthy water, air and land for human habitation and for other organisms and to remediate polluted site. There is a very important and basic definition of environmental engineering. The environmental engineering involves wastewater management and air pollution control, recycling, waste disposal, radiation protection, industrial hygiene, environmental sustainability, and public health issues, as well as knowledge of environmental engineering law. It also includes studies on the environmental impact of proposed construction project. That is a basic definitions and explanation of environmental engineering. The history of environmental engineering. The environmental engineering is one of the oldest branches of civil engineering. Environmental engineering is a new name for us, but that was been done since early in civilization as people learn to modify the environment to meet needs. The people recognized that their health was related to the quality of environment. They built system to improve it. The ancient Indus Valley civilization, that is 3300 BC to 1300 BC, had advanced control over the water resources. The public work structures found at various sites in the area, including wells, public bath, storage tank, a drinking water system, and a city-wide sewage collection system are there in Indus Valley civilization. They also had a early canal irrigation system enabling the large-scale agriculture. And also that is a history of environmental engineering. And nowadays environmental engineering take from broad scientific topic like that's a relation between environmental engineering and different branches of science. Environmental engineering in nowadays or today, environmental engineering takes from broad scientific topic like chemistry, biology, ecology, geology, hydraulics, hydrology, microbiology and mathematics to create solutions that protect the health of an organism and improve the quality of environment. That means environmental engineering is a multidisciplinary science or branch of science that have link between different biological subjects. Environmental engineering is a subdiscipline of civil engineering. Environmental engineering is the application of scientific and engineering principles to improve and maintain the environment to protect human health, protect nature's beneficial ecosystem, improve environmental related enhancement of quality of human life. Also, these environmental engineering mainly deal with environmental engineers devise solution for wastewater management, water and air pollution control, recycling, waste disposal, and public health. Also, they design municipal water supply and industrial wastewater treatment system and design plan to prevent waterborne diseases and improve sanitation in urban, rural and recreational areas. In developed cities, the major issue related to sanitation is a wastewater related issues. They spend large amount of money to control this type of water related or wastewater related issues. That's a role of environmental engineering in today. The environmental engineers of today's environmental engineer evaluate hazardous waste management system to evaluate the severity of hazards, advise on treatment and contaminant, and develop regulation to prevent mishap. They implement environmental engineering law as in assessing the environmental impact of proposed construction projects. Before developing or construction of any type of developmental activities, we can predict what are the different adverse effects that are likely to be occur by the help of environmental impact assessment. Environmental engineers study the effect of technological advance on the environment, addressing local and worldwide environmental issues such as acid rain, global warming, ozone depletion, water pollution, air pollution from automobile exhaust and industrial sources. These are the different roles of environmental engineers in today's world. Environmental engineering is a problem-solving science. It can solve water pollution, air pollution, global climate change. Solid waste management is also the part of environmental engineering. Solid waste management plus resource recovery is there. Then environmental engineering applications are there. Different branches of environmental engineering applications are there that we'll discuss in the next class. Thank you for watching.